Suddenly your phone becomes the most interesting thing in the world. Just one more video. Maybe a quick snack first? Do I really need this degree? Or should I just become a llama farmer? Sounds familiar? Here's a shocking fact. 90% of students study the wrong way. They waste hours staring at notes but barely learn anything. But what if I told you there's a way to study faster, retain more, and still have time to binge watch your favorite show? Whether you're cramming for exams, learning a new skill, or just trying to absorb information faster, these hacks will change the game for you. Let's dive into the best brain hacks to study at lightning speed, without burning out. The expectation. Hack. Your brain is lazy. It will take as much time as you allow it. Ever noticed how a 10-minute task somehow stretches into 2 hours when you're procrastinating? That's Parkinson's law in action. The fix? Set ridiculously short study sprints. Instead of saying, I have to study for 3 hours, tell yourself, I'll just study for 20 minutes. Sounds easy, right? And once you start, you'll keep going. Pro tip. Write down exactly what you'll study in that time. I'll study biology. I'll learn photosynthesis and quiz myself on it. Your brain loves clarity. The 80-20 rule, study smarter, not harder. Not all topics are created equal. Some are way more important than others. The 80-20 rule says 20% of what you study gives you 80% of your results. So instead of wasting time on random details, ask yourself, what will actually be on the test? What don't I understand yet? What topics appear the most in past papers? Strategy. Start with a past exam paper. Identify the top 20% of topics that show up the most. Then focus 80% of your study time on those. The timer method. Activate speed mode. Ever noticed how you become laser-focused when you're rushing to meet a deadline? That's because urgency creates focus. Here's how to trick your brain into study mode anytime. 1. Set a 30-minute timer and study like it's an emergency. 2. Take a 5-minute break. Stretch, move around, or scroll guilt-free. 3. Repeat. Why does this work? Short sessions prevent burnout. Your brain knows a break is coming, so it focuses better. No more fake studying where you just stare at notes. Bonus hack. Use the Forest app. Plant a virtual tree, and if you leave the app, your tree dies. Guilt is a powerful motivator. The Feynman technique. Study like a genius. Albert Einstein once said, if you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. So, if you want to learn something fast, teach it to someone else. How to use the Feynman technique. 1. Pick a concept. Example. How do black holes work? 2. Explain it like you're teaching a 5-year-old. No fancy jargon. 3. If you get stuck, go back and relearn. Simplify it even more. Result? You won't just memorize, you'll actually understand it. Want to remember things 2x faster? Stop passively reading, start testing yourself. Instead of rereading notes, close the book and recall key points. Instead of copying notes, write them from memory. Use flashcards, but don't just read them. Quiz yourself. Try the blurting technique. Read a chapter, then write down everything you remember without looking. Then, check what you missed. Instant memory boost. Sleep plus exercise equals free brain upgrades. Did you know your brain doesn't store what you study while you're awake? It stores information while you sleep. So pulling all-nighters? Bad idea. Getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep? Supercharge your brain. Also, exercise boosts memory. Even a 10-minute walk can help you retain more information. Final takeaway. Your study cheat sheet. Here's your 6-step formula to study fast and smart. Set short study sprints, 20 to 30 minutes. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what actually matters. Use timers to stay focused. Teach it to someone. Use active recall. Test yourself. Sleep plus exercise equals free brain upgrades. Your challenge. Pick one of these hacks and try it today. Comment below which one worked best for you. I read every single comment, and if you're ready to unlock your brain's full potential, hit that subscribe button and let's make studying feel illegal together. Remember, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is. Go out there, study smart, and make your brain work for you. Until next time, study smart, not hard.